Imagine planning a luxury cruise to Greece for 144 people, only for the lead organizer to collapse on day one. When a group trip gets this massive, survival requires a defensive itinerary. First, the timeline. They enforced a mandatory 2-day early arrival in Athens. This buffer absorbed flight delays and lost luggage before the ship even left port. Next, spatial logistics. On a giant ship, a massive group will scatter, so organizers booked central sea terrace cabins located directly next to the main elevators to act as an unavoidable hub. But right after sail away, the ultimate crisis hit. The organizer fainted and twisted her ankle, threatening to paralyze the trip's leadership. They rushed her to the ship's medic, but just being seen required a steep $400 upfront fee. This is where the ultimate defensive layer kicked in: mandatory travel insurance. This financial shield allowed them to easily transition to a foreign hospital for x-rays, knowing they could recover the massive out-of-pocket costs later. The organizer returned to the group events with justice brain. Because when planning a massive trip, the most important investments aren't matching outfits. They are the invisible logistical buffers that keep a single, unpredictable disaster from ruining 144 dream vacations.